Good morning to everyone and welcome to another update on the market. For today, I decided to cover Euro versus Swiss franc. I will speak about the gold market, crude oil and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start first with the Euro versus Swiss franc. So what we got here, we can see that market had a very nice and tight a range here, and the market is trying and actually breaking this morning this major supply trend line, and there was a big rejection in the background with lots of buying tails, so lots of buying power kicked in like 2 trading days ago, and I see potential for the higher prices going today and in the next period, and maybe even test of the level of 0.9926. So pay attention on this potential for the upside movement. Speaking of the gold market, we can see that we have 3 pushes up on the 15-minute time frame. Market found exhaustion around the previous day high. So there is a chance. There was an inside day yesterday, suggesting basically a consolidation. So I will not be surprised if the price can go through towards yesterday's half area at 1920, and maybe even to go to the previous day low at 1907. So downside rotation very possible on this market. Speaking of the crude oil, we can see that market did a failed test of the low and found the buyers. So now we had a tails from yesterday, and we had an inside day. So from my perspective, we have also some divergences on the 2-hour time frame. We can see there we got some divergences, so we'll not be surprised if the market can trade towards previous day high at 69.32, and maybe even to try to go through this territory around 70. I would say 70.70 level, 70.20 level. So pay attention for the further upside movement on the crude oil for today. And the Bitcoin versus US dollar, we had the inside there. We have so far the breakout, but we can see here that we got a bear divergence fast on the fast line. On the 310 oscillator, we can see that market made a higher high and the oscillator made a lower high. We can also see that there is important level in the background, so right here around 26,000, and hold this area towards the 26,500. You can see that's a quite important area, and we got a first divergence. So pay attention on this. If we see some further weakness on the market, then there is a potential rotation back towards the previous day high at 25,230. And that will be all for today's update. I hope that you did enjoy. As always, guys, trade safe, and speak to you from next week, and have a good weekend.